afternoon, everybody. I hope you're okay. Today I'm going to be doing an experiment that you've already seen because during Science Week I did this one in assembly, but I thought I'd record it so you could have it again to be able to see and watch whenever you want. So obviously today I'm going to be making a lava lamp out of these ingredients, and as I said before when I did the assembly, because this experiment involves medicines, you have to do this with your grown-ups if you want to try it at home. You don't really need to do it at home because I'm doing it on the video, but if you would like to try it at home, you must do it with a grown-up and get them to do all of the bits that involve any of the medicines, okay? So, what you need for this one is some oil. I have found that actually baby oil is a better one to do it with because it's clear so you can see it more clearly, but all I've got is vegetable oil, so that's what I'm using. You need water, you need food colouring, and you need your medicines. Now these are Alka-Seltzers. They're just dissolvable tablets, so when you put them in water they create a gas, which is how this experiment works. But you can use any kind of medicine that has that same effect, that dissolves when you put it in water. I also know there are lots of different vitamins that can do the same job, so you might want to get those ones instead. But that's all you need. So here we go.
First job is to put the water into the bottom of the glass. You only need to fill it up about a quarter, and then after that you can fill up the rest of the glass using the oil. Now if you see the way that I pour it now, I'm just free pouring the oil into the glass, and that's fine, but you will see that the oil and the water don't mix and there is a bit of air bubbles caught in the oil. So for the second one I decided to pour it sideways, and that meant that there were less air bubbles in the oil. So once I'd poured that in, I then added some food colouring to either, it doesn't matter what colour you use. I chose red for one and green for another because I thought they would be cool colours to use. So just pouring in the food colouring now. And then finally, the last step is to add the Alka-Seltzer. Now what you can see happening is the Alka-Seltzer is breaking down, and as it becomes dissolved in the water, it reacts to make carbon dioxide gas bubbles. So they stick to the water droplets that have the coloured food colouring in, and as the water and gas combination is less dense than the oil, they rise up to the top of the glass, making it look like a lava lamp. This will just keep happening for as long as gas is being produced by the Alka-Seltzer, and once all of the gas has been used up, the oil and the water will settle back into their separated sections. You can keep redoing this over and over again just by putting more Alka-Seltzer tablets in every time it relaxes.
So there we have it, 2 amazing homemade lava lamps. I think, don't know about you guys, but I think that works a lot better than when I did it in the assembly for you. So I'm really pleased that I've done that again, so you can see it again. Remember, this involves medicine, so you must get your parents to help you do this if you want to try it at home. And keep sending in everything that you're sending in because it's brilliant to see what you're doing at home. Bye.